It's almost time.
Are you ready for Daddy Rudy reading time?
Oh, yes, I am, Daddy. And I brought my favorite book with me.
Let me guess. The Three Little Pigs.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
Are you sure, son? We've read it about 100 times.
I know, right? Isn't it a great book?
It sure is, buddy.
Yeah.
It sure is. All right, let's see what we got here.
Okay.
Oh, there it starts. Once upon a time, there were three...
Piggies!
You got it, son.
Yeah.
3 piggies who built 3 houses. The first piggy built a house out of straw. The second piggy built a house out of
sticks. She built it out of sticks.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
And the third piggy built his house out of bricks. Now, can you tell me what happens next, Rudy?
Oh, yes, I can. Because that's when the big bad wolf came in to blow down all their houses.
Oh, no!
It'll be okay, Daddy. It'll be okay.
Okay. All right.
Keep reading the book.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, the big bad wolf got to the first piggy's house and said, Wait a minute, son, I got an idea.
What?
Let's read this story in a different way.
Oh.
How about if we do it in like in fun voices? That'd be fun, right?
Oh, yeah.
You can be the big bad wolf, you'll like that, and I will be the piggies.
Okay. Oh, I mean, okay, Daddy.
Oh, that's good. The wolf said,
The wolf said,
that's you.
little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
And then he huffed and he puffed and he blew down the straw house. Whoa.
But he got away and he hid at the second little piggy's house.
So the big bad wolf went to the second piggy's house and he said,
little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my
Oh, Daddy, Daddy, the second piggy is a girl piggy.
Oh. You're right. All right. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
That was really good.
Thank you.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. So he blew the sick house down, and then the piggies ran to the third house. Yes.
So then
the big bad wolf went to the brick house.
And he said,
little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
And he huffed.
And he puffed.
But he couldn't blow the house down. So finally...
Oh, the big bad wolf turned to the fourth little pig.
What, the fourth what?
I'm adding a little piggy to our story, and he's you, Daddy.
All right, then. All right.
Yep.
And we
He says, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
Oh, no!
I love that, Daddy. I really like reading with you.
Me too, son. Oh, this was fun and exhausting. Maybe we can do the Three Little Pigs again tomorrow for Daddy Rudy reading time.
Wow, Daddy. You really love this book, huh?
We must have read it like 100 times.
That was your voice.
You are something. Maybe I'll do the wolf next time.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be nice. I'll practice.